All right, guys, let's talk about tags now. But I have a diagram for you, and you guys will understand it easily. So let me show you the diagram and control B. Okay, so there is HTML, and again, there is HTML at the bottom. So there is with the less than the sign, also with the greater than sign, and there is just forward slash edit in this one. Oh, what does this means? Oh, this is takes, this is take, and this is also a take. But this is called opening tag, and this is called closing tag. Inside of this tag, this all is content. For every tag, there is a specific rules, and it's not hard to understand. For HTML, the rule is HTML is the root tag of any HTML file. And now we have two main tags. One is head tag, one is body. For now, let me tell you what is head tag. Head tag contains meta tags of HTML. What is metadata? So metadata is data about data. There is two forms of data. One is we can say normally data and one is information. Data is in rough form. Like it's not clear. We cannot make a decision from data, but information is in clear form and we can make decision from it. Metadata is data about data. I think you guys understand. To this all we can say it's a title element and also this is the body element. Now let's talk about the body. Body have contained those things what we want to show on our screen. Like H1 tag. H1 means heading and then with the closing tag. And also we have P, I mean paragraph tag. Now you can see there is meta tags and this is for browser. This is for our page layout and this is for browser, the UTF. You need to understand the things that is necessary for us to learn HTML. So for example, if I say subscribe and this will be the title of our website. If I go in here and I open with the live server, you can see, um, let me zoom in if I can. No, I cannot zoom in. I don't know what's happening. But right now, I think you guys understand there is a subscribe tag. If you don't subscribe till now, you guys need to subscribe. And if I change it to subscribe my channel and subscribe my channel. Yeah. Now come to the body tag. Body is actually the body of our HTML. Now if I type P means paragraph. You can see there is a image abbreviation thing, and it also shows some text, but we will look at it later. If you click on P or you use enter button, a P tag will automatically create it, and that's the good thing of VS Code, and I like it. If you see, it's a paragraph tag. P means paragraph, and if you type anything like if I write something inside of a P tag like can I complete 100K subscribes? If I came here, you guys can see, can I complete 100K subscribers? That's all in P tag. P means paragraph. Also, there is a tag for heading, and there is not just one, six tag for heading. You can see from H1 to H6, these all are headings. If you click on this and you type like heading one, okay, heading 1, you can see the heading tag is now showing heading 1. Now if you type H2 enter heading 2, you can see the heading 1 is larger, bigger than heading 2. All right, you guys can see I type H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, 6, and if I came to browser, you can see H1 is bigger, H2 is bigger than all the five tags, but smaller than H1, and H3 is the same again, same. And this is difference. Now, for italic, I will use I, and I means italic. In HTML, not in real life, there is a lot of things you will see in upcoming video, and you guys will surprise. And yeah, so when I put it in the italic and I go to there, you guys can see the 100K is in italic now. Now, if you came here, if you want to bold it, also the bold text, just press on the B and take this thing and put it inside of the B. Let me show you what is the result. And now you can see it's bold. Now, if you want to underline also this thing, then use U. U, not UL, U. Now it will be also bold, italic, and underline. Now, if you see this three is different text and also in different line in HTML, but they are in the same line in here. If you want to break the rule and my channel will be on the second row, to complete 100K will be on the third row, then you need to use one other tag. Its name is PR. See, the subscribe is on the first line and also the channel to complete 100K. This is on the second line. So we also need to put another tag PR in here. And if we see now it's good, subscribe my channel 100K. So now if you want to separate these things from this, in here use HR. HR means horizontal row, BR means break row. HR is horizontal row and it will draw a row on your file. You can see, and wherever you want to put it, you can, like if you want to put HR, again HR, HR. I put a lot of HR and you can see the file is looking so weird. I don't know if someone see and they say, what the heck is going on in here? But we can also remove it because we are developers.